Today on the Efficiency and Reliability Podcast, we're talking about asset vitality, what it is, why it matters, and how it's helping industrial assets do more with less. Let's get into it. Imagine using 15% less fuel while maintaining the same throughput. That's asset vitality. Achieving 97% availability while minimizing downtime? That's asset vitality too. In process industries like power, petrochemical, upstream and offshore, performance depends on the health of key assets: boilers, furnaces, heat exchangers, and process vessels. These systems operate under extreme conditions, and they're expected not just to run, but to run safely, efficiently, and continuously. That's where asset vitality comes in. Asset vitality is IGS's integrated approach to performance. It reflects how IGS helps partners elevate output, cut emissions, reduce maintenance costs, and extend asset life, all without sacrificing uptime or safety. It's not just a technical capability, it's a promise of real-world outcomes. And those outcomes are already being delivered across the globe. Clients have seen 15% less fuel used, 30% lower emissions, zero shutdowns for fired heater maintenance, boiler reliability improved from 500 leaks to zero, and process vessel integrity lasting more than 20 years. These aren't hypotheticals, they are proven results. At the heart of asset vitality are two core principles. First, asset integrity, protecting and extending the life of critical equipment exposed to corrosion, erosion, high heat, and pressure. IGS's proprietary technologies, like HVTS alloy cladding, stop degradation before it starts, without hot work or costly replacement. This means assets last longer, maintenance costs go down, and reliability holds even during peak production. Second, energy efficiency, restoring and enhancing thermal performance to minimize fuel use and maximize output. Using advanced technologies such as TubeTech robotic cleaning and CTech high emissivity coatings, IGS helps clients cut fuel consumption, reduce emissions, and increase throughput capacity without the need for capital investment. Why does asset vitality matter? Because today's industrial landscape demands more from fewer assets. Markets expect higher production, regulators are pushing for lower emissions, and teams are under pressure to eliminate unplanned shutdowns. Asset vitality is how a European power plant reached 97% availability. It's how a process vessel in the US, protected by IDS in 2003, is still in service today. And it's how a Middle Eastern petrochemical company saved $65 million in lifecycle costs. IGS is not just implementing this approach, it created it. IGS is the inventor, engineer, inspector, and validator behind the technologies that make asset vitality possible. Now, working with IGS means gaining access to over 40 years of field-proven experience, 118 patents and proprietary technologies, more than 20,000 hours of project manager expertise, and a client satisfaction score of 4.9 out of 5. So what is asset vitality really? It's more than uptime, more than cost savings. It's the intersection of reliability and efficiency. It's a measurable shift in performance that transforms operations from the inside out. So the next time you hear someone say, same throughput, 15% less fuel, you'll know it's asset vitality. That's it for today's special episode of the Efficiency and Reliability Podcast. Tune in next week when we dive into the tech that's redefining maintenance planning. See you then.